Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the R squared indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This statistical tool, also known as the coefficient of determination, measures how strongly price movements correlate with a linear regression line to help assess trend strength and reliability. In this video, you'll see what the indicator calculates, how its values are interpreted, and which trading applications are described. The R-squared indicator measures the correlation between actual price data and a linear regression line drawn through prices over a specific period, producing a value that ranges from 0 to 1. A value closer to 1 indicates that price data is highly correlated with the regression line, implying a strong and reliable trend, while a value closer to 0 suggests random or unpredictable movements, pointing to market noise or consolidation. Unlike traditional indicators that focus on price patterns, volume, or momentum, R squared provides statistical precision to evaluate whether an observed trend is genuine or merely short-term noise. On MT4 and MT5, the R squared indicator is displayed in a separate window beneath the main price charts, similar to RSI or MACD. The R squared line fluctuates between 0 and 1 over time, offering a dynamic visual representation of how well current price adheres to a linear trend. Higher readings near 1 show strong linear price movements, while low readings near 0 indicate choppy or trend ranging conditions when no clear directional trend exists. The primary settings is the lookback period, which determines how many bars are used in the regression calculation and affects sensitivity. Shorter periods such as 10 to 20 respond quickly but may generate more noise. Medium periods of 30 to 50 suit swing traders, and longer periods of 100 or more track long-term behaviors. Optimal settings depend on your trading style and should be tested with historical data for each instrument, according to the Forex Geek. The R squared indicator is suitable for traders who want a quantitative, data-driven assessment of trend reliability to confirm other indicators or to filter out ranging markets. It is a lagging indicator based on past data and does not predict future moves or indicate trend direction on its own, only that a linear trend exists. The indicator should be used alongside directional tools and product strategies rather than as a standalone signal generator. An overfitting risk exists within very short period. You can download the R squared indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek focuses on how statistical trend measurements can help traders to distinguish genuine trends from random price movements. If you like quantitative analysis tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator content.